All right, so coming to us from I Love Heroes over on Twitter X, we have here FonJoy Hulkbuster in hand images. So they got the measuring tape out for you guys to showcase exactly the size of it. So you guys that are asking, are you sure it's this size? There you guys go. So you can pause the video, get your ruler out, get your measuring tape out, and you can measure it, and then you can be like, yep, that's accurate. That's what I want. Cool looking, man. It's a model kit figure, but the colors on this really jump out. It's like that red, chrome, and the gold look really, really good on this one. No doubt about it. So I have one FonJoy toy already, figure for the Joker. I can tell you guys right now, their paint jobs, you could tell they do multiple layers on their figures to make sure they don't wear over time. So anyway, that's my 2 cents worth. Check it out over at I Love Heroes on Twitter X. Drop a comment below as usual and let us know what you guys think of it. If you want to pre-order this, places like Babu Babu 00712 will have it on pre-order. All right, check it out, guys. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.